of sodium are present in 46 gram of substance? Number A, 1.8 moles. Number B, 2.3 moles. Number C, 2 moles. Number D, 1 mole. Now here is the correct option. Option number 2, 2 moles. Number 2, those acidic which contain one acidic hydrogen are called monoperiodic, diperiodic, triperiodic, polyperiodic. Now here is the correct option. Option number 1, option number A, monoperiodic. Option number 3, magnesium hydrochloride is known as acidic salt, basic salt, neutral salt, normal salt. Correct. Here is the correct option. Option number B, basic salt. Number 4, the formula of potassium chloride. The formula of potassium chloride, KCO3, KClO3, KCl, NaHCO3. So here is the correct option. Option number B, KClO3. The number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 dm3 is called decimeter cube, molarity, Avogadro number, molarity, number D, moles. Correct option, option number C, molarity. Number 6, the shared pair of electrons which link the atom in a molecule is known as covalent bond. Correct option, option number B, covalent bond. 7, the only liquid metals, number, here is the correct option, option number C, mercury. To which family Ga belongs? Number A, boron, carbon, nitrogen, fluorine. Now here is the correct option, nitrogen. Number 9, Lothar-Mayer's curve included about element A 30, 40, 56, 62. So here is the correct option, option number C, 56. Number 10 MCQs, the most reactive metal. Number A, sodium, cerium, fluorine. Now here is the correct option, option number A, sodium. The pH of 0.01 moles of HCl is number A, 2, number B, 1, number C, 3, number D, none of these. Here is the correct option, option number A, 2. MCQ number 12. Faraday's first law of electrolysis dash is directly proportional to the amount of substance that deposits at any electrolyte. Number A, current. Number B, fat. Number C, both of these. Number D, none of these. Here is the correct option, option number A, current. MCQ number 13. Which type of bond is present in chlorine molecule? Which type of bond is present in chlorine molecule? Number A, polar covalent, non-polar covalent, electrocovalent, dative bond. That is the correct option, option number B, non-polar covalent bond. MCQ number 14. MCQ number 14 is here. Robert Brown used which powder for explaining the movement of particles? Number A, sulfur. Number B, phosphorus. Number C, silicon. Number D, magnesium. So here is the correct option, option number A, sulfur. MCQ number 13. The one oldest sharing of electron is known as dative bond, covalent, coordinate covalent. I love these. So here is the correct option, option number C, coordinate covalent bond. MCQ number 16. Those substances which conduct electricity are known as number A, electrolysis, non-electrolysis, both of these, D, none of these. That's the correct option, option number A, electrolysis. Option number A, electrolysis. MCQs number 17. H3O is called hydronium ion. H plus is acceptors. O is donor. D, all of these. So here's the correct option. Option number A, hydronium ion. MCQs number 18. 60 gram of sodium NaOH dissolved in 1 liter is known as 1.5 m solution, 2 m solution. So here is the correct option. Option number A, 1.2 mole solution. Number 19. Bitter test is the representation of acid, base, salt, all of these. That's the correct option. Option number B, base. Nucleus is made up of dense particle explained by number A, Rutherford, number B, Bohr, number C, Dalton, number D, Al-Razi. As the correct option. Option number A, Rutherford. Nucleus. Acid react with base to neutralize and form salt and water. Number C option, salt and water. MCQs number 22. Gaseous directly converted into solid is B MCQs deposition. MCQs number 23. In combustion reaction, we burn methane, it forms in number D option, carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water. 24 MCQs. Which type of bond is indicated by arrow? Which type of bond is indicated by arrow? Number A, dative, ionic, electrocovalent, covalent. So it's correct option. Option number A, dative bond. MCQs number 25. How many electron Ag lost in AgNO3? Correct option. Option A, 1. Option number A, 1. MCQs number 26. WZ is mathematical representation for Faraday's first law. So here is the correct option. Option number A, Faraday's first law. MCQs number 27. Water from different sources always in same proportion is known as Dalton law, Lavoisier's law, Faraday's law, none of these. Correct option. Option number D, none of these. What is range of weak acids in pH scale? What is the range of weak acid in pH level? Option number B, 3 to 5. MCQs number 29. The formula of sugar is C12H11O12, C12H24O11, C12H22O11, C12H11O11. Here is the correct option. Option number D, C12H11O11. The formula of chloroform. Here is the correct option. Option number A, CHCl3.
Okay.